I've been using the Matcha Cica Layer Serum for a while now, and it's quickly become one of my favorite everyday treatments for calming and balancing my skin. The dual layer formula is really unique. After shaking the bottle a few times, the cream and serum blend into a smooth, milky texture that glides on effortlessly and absorbs fast without any sticky or greasy feel. It feels lightweight, but still delivers deep hydration, which is perfect for my combination oily, dehydrated skin. Ingredients like Centella Asiatica, Cica, madecassoside, and antioxidant rich Jeju matcha help soothe redness and irritation, while the nano ceramide complex strengthens my moisture barrier and keeps my skin soft and plump throughout the day. I also appreciate the gentle PHA, which lightly exfoliates and smooths rough patches without any stinging, making it safe even for sensitive skin. After cleansing and toning, I apply a small amount and tap it in, and my skin instantly feels refreshed, calm, and well balanced. With consistent use, my skin looks healthier, less oily, and more even overall. It's a simple, effective serum that delivers hydration, soothing care, and light exfoliation all in one step.